Hi everyone. So I'm sitting on my Swift. It's a 2019 model ZXI. So this car is driven almost. It has completed almost 26,555 kilometers, and it's been more than 5 years. And the car is in bone stock condition. So what I've decided that in order to spice up the driving experience of this Swift, I have ordered these atmosphere lights from Amazon, and it's a good light actually. Just let me just show you. So I have ordered these from Amazon, and it had good reviews. That's why I just ordered them, and after unboxing it, I found out that it's pretty good. It's not at all, the quality is not at all cheap. It's decent enough. The quality of the wires are good. Means it's reliable. We can use it as long as it is running, because all these are Chinese items. So it has got an app also. The name of the app is Lotus Lamp X. So these are the wirings and here is the 4 LED strips that will come under the footwell. One here on the passenger side, one under the driver's side, and 2 will come under the seats of the passenger and the driver. So basically 4. And it has got one remote as well, but it is app controlled. I have installed the app. The app's name is this Lotus Lamp X, and we can toggle from the app whatever color we want to choose. The effects, it has got the music adaptation effects also, as you can see over here. So what I'm gonna do is that I'll be installing them. So for the installation, I have routed 2 wide wires from inside. I have attached the 2 wires behind the 12-volt socket. Means I don't want to block the 12-volt socket, because I have to use the charger also for my phone. So if we put this, the charger will, means this will, if you put this adapter over here, means this will be unusable. Only this can be used. And I don't like to just take it out and then put the charger and again put, if we want to use this, or to put that, move the charger. So what I did, I'm doing hard wiring for this. I have taken routed 2 wires from behind, if it's visible. Okay, I have taken 2 wires from the 12-volt socket behind this trim, and I will lay out all the wirings and stick the LED under the footwell and complete all the wiring, and I'll be showing it to you after that. So I'm done with the installation. I'll just get in the car, just turn the ignition on. Here you can see. Actually, the installation took more than 1 hour, maybe around 1.5 hours, 2 hours, and it was completed in the afternoon itself. But I waited till evening to record this video so that it can do justice to the camera. Visibility is too good. I'm really happy with the setup I have made. I'll just get to the back seat, because from back seat the visibility is good with all the 4 lights. Yeah, now you can see. I think it's good. The purpose of atmosphere light is well served. And one more thing, so this is the app for app for the light, and it gets automatically connected as the lights are on, so you can choose from multiple colors. Yeah. Or you can stick to single RGBs: red, green, blue, yellow, white. I like the red and the blue one basically, and there are different options over here, like this is the strobe effect. Lots of option over here. Yeah. Personally, I don't like this and number of effects. Connectivity of the app is really good. Yeah. So yeah, this was the installation. This is the light I've installed, and it's really good, nice. So you just stick to one light, and that would be either red or blue. I like the blue one. Watching the process. Thank you for watching the video. Give a like and do subscribe.